All right, guys, let's check out this 2012 Dodge Challenger SRT8. She's sitting on 30-inch dubs. Paint is in overall great shape. Interior is nice and clean. I know y'all younger guys like the Dodges. Be perfect. Car show season coming up. Already got wheels. Start her up. She reached just under 77,000 miles, guys. Don't miss out on this one, guys. She available here at Rolling Museums. We have this 1970 Chevy Impala available. She got 26-inch Forgiatos. Interior's in overall great shape. She has an aftermarket center console that goes all the way to the back. Convertible top functions as it should. She has a 350/350 combo. Absolutely beautiful. And there she is. She has power brakes, power steering, AC. She rated at 300 horsepower and 380 foot-pounds of torque. Backed by a 3-speed automatic. And we got this 1975 Cadillac Eldorado. She has the Cadillac 500, backed by a 3-speed automatic. New wide white walls. Paint is in great shape. Interior is nice, driver quality condition. Dash in excellent shape. Absolutely beautiful. Convertible top functions as it should. And there she is, the Cadillac 500. She has power brakes, power steering, AC, all the creature comforts. You know, the Eldorados are front-wheel drive. Absolutely beautiful, guys.